Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to promote products on clickbank. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly open your browser and open the clickbank account, then just simply log into your account. Now after you've completed the login process, just simply click on your username over here or click on affiliate marketplace over here. It will both take you to the same place, so just simply choose anyone. Now over here you will have a broad category of products that you can promote, but if you want to be more specific, you can click on this all over here, which is the category. Now over here you will find all the categories of products that are available on clickbank. So if you want to choose anything from a particular category, so let's say health and fitness, so if you just simply hover over that, you'll find the subcategory below health and fitness like yoga, women's fitness, strength training, spiritual health, and a lot more, as you can see it over here. Now if you want to pick any product that you want to promote from the sub niche, just simply click on that, like for example meditation. Choose that option. So over here you will find all the products related to meditation. Now you can just simply rank it through gravity, low and high, or high and low, just depending on you. Now all you have to do is click on promote. Now over here there will be two types of products that you can promote. The first one is where you have to ask for permission from the person who have actually placed the affiliate product, and the second is where you can get the link direct. So this is one of the products where you have to ask permission before actually getting the link. So you have to enter your nickname and your tracking ID, and after that you can create your hop link, which is your affiliate link, and over here you also have to choose a landing page, as you can see right over here. Now let me give you an example where you can get directly the link. So this is a product that is also very popular, so in this case you don't have to take permission from the actual owner, you can directly get the link. So for doing that, just simply click on promote, then enter your nickname over here, then all you have to do is click on create hop link, and that will create your affiliate link right over here. Now all you have to do is just simply copy this and paste it wherever you are going to promote it, on your blog, Instagram post, Pinterest, whichever way you are actually getting the viewers. So just simply paste that link over there. Now I just mentioned that you have to contact the affiliate owner, so in order to do that you have to just simply click on seller contacts over here, click on that option, and you will get the email ID that you can contact for getting the permission. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to our channel, and take care.